Does a railgun's ability to hit a target 100 miles away in a perfectly straight line prove that the Earth is missing curvature? No, that's not true. Such claims are absurd and completely nuts, two physicists told Lead Stories. That's because railguns fire projectiles that are subject to the same laws of gravity as all other objects on Earth. This means that their projection, which is not in a perfectly straight line, is inevitably pulled downward, causing it to hit the ground at some point. The physics of a railgun proves nothing about the curvature of the planet. The claim originated in a post on Facebook on August 9, 2023. That implied that the way a railgun operates proves the Earth is missing curvature. It read, quote, "This is a railgun. It can hit a target 100 miles away in a perfectly straight line. That's 6,666 feet of missing curvature. #where's the curvature?" End quote. Below is how the post appeared at the time of writing. Source: Facebook screenshot captured Thursday, August 10, 11 hours 52 minutes and 0 seconds Coordinated Universal Time 2023. Named for two highly conductive rails with a projectile in between. A railgun is a long-range weapon that forms an electromagnetic field to accelerate its projectile to launch, according to a 2008 article published in MIT Technology Review. And like other weapons on Earth, the railgun is also subject to the laws of gravity. This is an absurd claim, to begin with. One does not even need to necessarily bring in the curvature of Earth. Richard Lombardini, an associate professor of physics at St. Mary's University in Texas, told Lead Stories. In an email received on August 15, 2023, he wrote, quote, "A railgun shoots objects at around 4,600 miles per hour, or 1.28 miles per second. It would take 78 seconds for it to travel 100 miles horizontally. We know that gravity accelerates objects downward at 32.2 foot per second squared. So the force is pulling downward on the railgun projectile. In other words, as the projectile is moving horizontally, it is also falling downward so that the trajectory is parabolic. For 78 seconds, the objection should fall around 100,000 feet. The statement that the projectile went straight for 100 miles is not considering the gravitational pull causing it to hit the ground at some point even if there were no curvature of Earth." End quote. John Learned, a professor of physics at the University of Hawaii, Manoa campus, also told Lead Stories that the railgun claim is completely nuts. The railgun shoots straight but the missile feels the pull of gravity too, and goes around the Earth. Learned told Lead Stories in an email received on August 14, 2023. Lead Stories has also debunked claims that NASA documents say that we live on a flat, non-rotating Earth, that a reflection in an astronaut's helmet visor from the Apollo 17 moon landing proves that it was a hoax, and that airplanes fly straight and level, proving that the Earth is flat.